Hello mothers, hope you all are fine. I am Swati Jain, mother of a 3-year-old child. With the outbreak of corona in March 2020, all the preschools has been closed. From then, I have talked to more than 500 mothers. I understand being a mother is not an easy task. Being a mother, I can understand the pain of mothers when children are stuck at home, screaming, angry, watching cartoon at TV, no routine, no eating time, and mothers are feeling powerless and exhausted. Mothers are confused what to teach child at home, how to teach child at home, how to make child learn rhymes, stories, alphabets, numbers, animals, birds, flowers, transportation, etc. in a simple way. Every mother is facing same problem. So I have started my YouTube series, What Mom Can Teach You at Home series. On this Women's Day, I want to tell you about my journey. My daughter was born 8 years back. It was a cesarean delivery and anesthesia was given to me at the time of delivery. Next day, my intestines does not start working due to that. But next day, I was given a semi-solid diet in a large quantity, resulting in ulcers in my intestines. In 2017, I gave birth to my second child, but my problem of hyperacidity shooted a lot. I suffered with severe gastric attacks when my period cycle comes or when I am physically ill. But after outbreak of corona, I evolved a lot. It was a communicable disease and I have seen so many people dying in Italy due to coronavirus. When lockdown occurred in India, I was at my parental home. My mother and my bhabi supported me and I gained my lost self-confidence. In August 2020, I got pus in my wisdom tooth. So I have to remove it. So for 1 month, I suffered from severe gastric attacks. My mother and my bhabi helped me a lot during my difficult time. After lockdown, when I came back to Delhi, the maid of our house was not having smartphone to support their children online learning. During lockdown, both husband and wife were sitting at home with no work, so they cannot afford fees of their children. It pained me a lot. Since then, I talked to more than 500 mothers whose children are young. Every mother has its own struggle and challenges. I salute all the mothers and especially working women during lockdown, teachers, nurses, doctors, and many others who are working from home, and especially homemakers who worked hard than usual and still working after lockdown. My mother worked very hard to bring me out of depression. She supported my learning. She helped me with laptop and phonics teacher training. My mother take care of me, my children and my home and household work. I am talking this from my heart. My mother helped me and made transformation in my life. Now I want to make transformation in your child's learning journey. Being a mother is not easy. I'm trying to make your journey easy with my sequentially designed worksheets, flashcards, and activity sheets to move your child learning to next level. It's just rupees 80 for 3 months and rupees 300 for 1 year. For needy, I will give it free. I am not here to sell anything. I am a mother like you who wants your child learning should not stop. You should start your journey to create some difference in your life and your children's life. In December 2020, I conducted a Christmas workshop. It was a free Christmas workshop attended by 25 children. That day, I was suffering from 103 fever and was suffering with severe gastric attack. But I conducted workshop on Zoom with Christmas story, Christmas tree and 2 Christmas trees children designed on that workshop. Children and mothers enjoyed a lot and gave me good responses. Now, on occasion of Holi, I will conduct free Holi workshop for kids. So, if you want, register me on WhatsApp group. Join my WhatsApp group or WhatsApp me on 8287836649. I just want to say that you must start something. Start something. Mothers are very powerful. If you like my video, please share my video to the mothers whose children are young of age 2 to 5 years so that their learning journey should not stop. They should accelerate their children learning journey. I am Swati Jain. I am with you. If you have any problem, WhatsApp me on 8287836649. Happy Women's Day.